Meet mangosteen, a tropical fruit celebrated for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. The secret lies in its high concentration of xanthones, unique plant compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Regularly consuming mangosteen may support a stronger immune system, promote faster recovery from injuries, and help manage chronic inflammatory conditions. Its juicy, sweet, tart flavor makes it a delicious addition to smoothies, fruit salads, or simply enjoyed fresh. Embrace mangosteen for a natural boost to your health.